Hello everybody. You ever been working on something and you needed a small compact flashlight that you can either clip or set down someplace? Olight sent me their flashlight called the Oclip. Spring-loaded clip type light. Has a floodlight with different brightnesses. Has a spotlight with different brightnesses, and has a red light for walking at night, 2 different brightnesses, also a strobe function to it for emergencies. Comes in very handy if you're working in a tight place. Got lost a screw up here in the frame. I can see the screw now. I can get to it, get it out. Check them out. Olight, link for it will be below. You can't go wrong with the Olight products. Nice heavy aluminum cases. USB charging on the side. Clips wherever you need it to clip. They just come in very handy. So check it out. Order yourself one. Got many different colors and styles available to fit your personality.